In today's quick tip video, I'm going to show you a way to greatly reduce or eliminate glare and reflections when taking photographs or video using your digital camera. The one you see right here is the one I film my videos with, or using your smartphone. Now before I get started, let me show you a few examples of exactly what I'm talking about. In the first image, you can see there's a TV being reflected in the window behind the couch. Now with the polarizing light filter, taken from the exact same angle, you can see the television has disappeared. Now not only does the filter greatly reduce or eliminate reflections and glare, it also increases the saturation of the image. If you're looking at the sky, it's going to become more blue. It's going to remove the haze as well. In this image here, you can see there's a very strong glare on the surface of the water, preventing us from seeing beneath the surface of the water. So by rotating the polarizing filter to the correct position, you're going to greatly reduce that glare, increasing the quality of your photograph and allowing you to see beneath the surface of the water. In this image here, you can see the light shining into the room, making a glaring area on the floor. And then using the filter, you can see that area has been greatly diminished. And in this last image, you can see there's a light being reflected off of the countertop, and there's a strong glare around the lighting, creating almost a haze of light. We want to be able to eliminate that haze, and here's what it looks like with the polarizing filter in the correct position. Okay, you're going to need a polarizing light filter, and that's what you see right here. This is a high quality Japanese made filter. I picked this up on eBay and I only paid, I think it was $7 or $8 shipped. This was secondhand. There was no scratches on it. It was in perfect condition. Brand new. You could pick these up for around $11. This one is 30.5 millimeters. Now it's very important. If you look at my camera right over here, right around the lens is exactly where this filter is going to be bonded. Now the way we're going to be bonding it, using some clear silicone sealant like you see right here, and we're going to place it around the rim of that circular polarizing filter. This is what it looks like right here. This side has a thread that's going to go against the camera, and there's lines on here, so if you hold that, this outside ring will rotate. And this right here, how this rotates in relation to the lens inside the camera, is what determines how much of that glare is removed when taking a photograph or filming a video. Now if you have a smartphone, what you can do, you can take some double stick adhesive tape like you see right here, and you're going to clean below the camera lens and above it using rubbing alcohol, 91%. Allow it to dry. Then you're going to cut a thin strip. You can cut this right down the center and make it about 1 inch wide. Stick it below and stick it above. Once you do that, you're going to take rubbing alcohol and get a Q-tip and wipe this whole edge. Make sure there's no silicone grease on it. Allow it to air dry, and then you're going to push it right down on top where the camera lens is on your phone. Once it's in position, you'll be able to grab the outside ring, slowly rotate to get the right angle for the best image. Now this was purchased for my digital camera because that's what I use all the time. So let me show you exactly how this is going to go on my camera. Okay, when I purchased the filter, what I did is I measured the very top right here of the camera lens to make sure the diameter of the polarizing filter was the same or just slightly smaller. Now it's very important the polarizing filter is as close to the edge as possible. Otherwise, when you go to film or take photographs, you're going to see the corners of the image being cut off by the filter. This one does a perfect job right here. So that's the bottom. I'm going to apply a little bit of silicone sealant on this top edge. It's going to be positioned exactly on the center. And this is what the camera looks like when it's all completed. Push the button and it slides up nice. Back down. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please rate it a thumbs up, subscribe, and post links to this video on other websites and blogs. Also be sure to check out my video playlist as well. Thank you very much for watching.